Hey everyone, Chef Anthony here from Don's Appliances. Today I'm talking about the 30-inch Pro Gas cooktop from Wolf. This is the highlighted red knobs. So this is our 30-inch 4-burner, so they're dual stack burner. Really the high power BTU burner right here on the left. Two smaller eyes, and here's our mid eye. So we're going to be doing like pasta water, our main stuff, our pan searing right on this one, finishing our sauces on this back one, or holding a delicate sauce or a chocolate back here. The mid-range burner, this is really gonna, pan sear as well, kind of, if we're cooking like a marinara sauce, or we're doing a stock pot or a boil of like a seafood bake, mussels, things like that. That's a really great one. Here's our mid-eye as well, another same BTU on this one. But we want to talk about, I'm going to take this off and talk about the dual stack on here. So, the dual stack burner right here. So if I lift that up, this is two independent burners right here, kind of like my hand when I go like this. So picture a burner and a burner on that. So now when it goes to high, you're going to heat the whole burner. But when we talk about the extra low, it's just going to really heat that plate in the center, kind of right here. So it's really going to heat that second plate, and that heat's going to rise up and really hold our food warm. So think about this as having the top power, the highest BTU, but going to the lowest to really keep our sauces, our tea, our chicken noodle soup, and our chili, things like that, warm without scorching them, okay? Great racks on here with rubber feet to prevent from scratching. They sit right here very nicely. These can be cleaned in your sink or wash tub or things like that. Mild soapy water, a dark cloth, no white paper towel, because the white will kind of get in there and make it look a lot older than it is. So our controls here, if we press down, they're backlit. So, you see that very nicely. When I talk about it, talk about the high, then we go to the low, then we push it down, and we're going to get that extra simmer. That's that second plate I was talking about. So that's kind of really where that world lives, right? Brilliant red knobs. Great stainless steel look here. So, we'll clean that stainless steel with our stainless steel cleaner. If we have any big issues like red sauce or things like that, we're going to clean it with a mild detergent like Dawn and wipe it streak-free with a microfiber towel. 30-inch cooktop, in the pro range, nice, great BTUs, a solid cooking. And I hope you enjoy this video, and thank you from Don's Appliances.